Hi everyone, my name is Mohit. In this video we will go through remainder in division. Suppose we have to find the last two digits of a number. Suppose we have a number 16 to the power 998. Then suppose we have a number 216 to the power 998. Then what we do is we consider the last two digits in order to calculate the last two values. Okay, so we'll consider 16 raised to 998 in order to find the last two digits. In case of unit digit, we used to consider only unit value. Okay, so remember one thing. In general, we find that in order to find the last two digits, we have to go up to at most 20 steps. Up to 20 steps, and then the cycle repeats itself. In most of the cases, the cycle may be, the maximum cycle will be 20. Okay, this is the maximum. Then it can be either 1, 2, 4, 5 or 10, whatever it is, but maximum it is up to 20. So in order to calculate the last two digits of any number, we will follow the process ahead. Here we have number 17 to the power 12443. Now we have base 17. These two digits have to be taken into consideration because these are the last two digits, and power is 12443. Now we will divide this power in the form of 20, as 20 is the maximum possible cycle. Therefore 12440 plus 3, right? So we can write this 17 to the power 12443 as 7 to the power 12440 into 17 to the power 3, this remaining 3. Now we have to consider only this in order to find the last two digits. Okay, 17 to the power 1, 17, 17 to the power 2, 289 means last two digits 89, 17 to the power 3 is equal to 4913. So these are the last two digits of this expression. Okay, these are, so therefore 13 is our answer. Now this problem, here we have base. What is base? 486. We have to consider only last two digits in order to find the last two digits, right? What is power? 142. Now we have to write it in the form of, in the multiple of 20, right? 140 plus 2. Now what we will do is consider this 86 to the power 142 is equal to 86 to the power 140 into 86 to the power 2. We will consider only this. What is the square of 86? 73. So this is the value, and last two digits will be 96. Answer will be 96. Okay, here the number is divided by 100. If we have to find the last two digits, and or the question is in the form of when the number is divided by 100, this is nothing but the same question. Okay, so here what we have base is equal to 332. We will consider only last two digits, and power is 255. We can write it in the multiple of 20. 240 plus 15. Therefore what we can do is we can write this expression as 32 to the power 255, or 32 to the power 240 into 32 to the power 15. We have to consider only this because this is multiple of, the power is multiple of 20. Okay, now this 32 to the power 15 can be written as 2 raised to power 5 to the power 15, right? 2 raised to power 75. Okay, now again we will divide this power in the multiple of 20. That is, power is equal to 75 is equal to 60 plus 15. 2 raised to 75 is equal to 2 raised to 60, 2 raised to 15. We have to consider only this. Now we will start writing the power of 2. 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 will be 16,384 and 15 will be 32,768. Therefore this 68 is our answer. Is it clear? Thank you. If you like the video, like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.